To back up your Galaxy Z Flip 8, there are plenty of ways to do it. So if you go into settings and then under settings, go to accounts and backup, you tap on that. Then you have options. One is Samsung Cloud. So you can choose to back up the data on your phone to Samsung Cloud as long as you have enough space in your Samsung Cloud account. So you go to backup data. As long as you're signed in with your Samsung account, choose the kind of data you want to backup and then just hit backup now, and your data is going to be uploaded to the Samsung Cloud. And you can always restore this data on another device by simply signing in and then restoring data. Pick a specific backup file and it's going to restore all your data. Now you can also back up your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 to Google Drive. So you gotta be signed in with your Google account, and then of course you need to allow or confirm that you want your stuff backed up, and it's gonna back up automatically every so often. And then also you have transfer data for device setup or external storage transfer. So you want to select the second option. This uses Smart Switch. Now you can choose to back up your data on an external storage device like a hard drive or an SSD. And for that, you use the second option here. It says external storage transfer. So basically you plug in a USB device like this one, and then you select external storage device, and then you back up to your USB storage device, and all your data is going to be backed up to that particular device. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.